DepEd. First to interpolate is Congressman Johnny Pimentel. The Chair would like to recognize Congressman Ernest Junicio for your interpellation.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. Ma'am Kamora, Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask some questions lang sa ating COA representative, si Attorney Carmora. I remember, Attorney, nung ilang beses na rin ako nakapagtanong sa iyo, you have always been cordial, respectful, and to the committee, and I believe that you're always prepared, at napakabait po ng demeanor nyo. Thank you for giving respect and answering the questions of the committee. I hope you can answer some of the observations of these humble representations, ma'am. Ma'am, na-notice ko lang po kasi, habang nag-check po ako ng documents, meron po tayo do sa rental ng safe house. Naririnig ko po kanina sa tanong ni Congressman Acop at ni Congressman Chairman Joel Chua na, ma'am, tama po ba na mga acknowledgement receipts ang basis po ng COA sa pagsusuri nitong mga to, sa rentals, ma'am?
Dito po sa OVP, Mr. Chair, yes, acknowledgement receipts po.
Oh, kasi nung naririnig ko yung line of questioning ni Congressman Acop earlier, which nakikita ko maganda yung line of questioning, trying to find answers, trying to dig deeper, medyo nahihinto tayo because tama po ba dahil acknowledgement receipts lang ang basihan po natin?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sa inyo po ba, ma'am, wag na po bilang COA representative, wag po muna bilang abogado. On a personal note, kayo po, matagal na rin kayo sa COA, alam ko po lagi tayong may pinagbabasihan ng mga bagay-bagay. Pero as a person, as an individual, with your years of experience, gano'n po ba kayo katagal sa COA?
8 years po, Mr. Chair.
8 years is substantial time, ma'am. Tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Siguro nakapag-develop na rin tayo ng, how do I say this, innate gut feel natin if there is something wrong or if things are regular in nature. Tama po ba?
Mr. Chair,
ma'am, just ano lang to or speaking candidly, don't just tell me yung personal lang natin, ma'am. Kasi tayo, in every endeavor natin sa career natin, sometimes we develop yung personal nating pag-aaral, di ba, hindi naman lahat nakabase lang sa dokumento. Kayo po ba sa personal nyo, nakadevelop kayo ng somewhat, say natin, na yung innate panunuri nyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Although as an auditor, parang less than 2 years pa lang po ako as an auditor sa COA. Mas leaning
yes, ma'am.
towards the legal.
Opo, para lang mapabilis tayo, ma'am. Kasi ako, itong documents na nakita ko, ilang oras pa lang po na habang pinapakinggan ko lang base kay Congressman Acop and Congressman Joel Chua, ang ating chairman ng committee na to, meron na po akong na-observe na parang sa tingin ko, nakakapagtaka. For example, ma'am, if I may continue, Mr. Chair, tama,
Please continue.
Nung fourth quarter po noong 2022, ilan po ba yung ginamit para sa rental expenses?
For 2022 po, 16,000 po.
16,000, ma'am?
16 million, sorry. 16 million po.
And it was spent for how many days po, ma'am?
For 11 days po.
For 11 days. Some would say that it might be too much, but it's really hard to assess since it's just acknowledgement receipts that we have. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
So, going to the line of questioning po, sa first quarter ng 2023 naman po, ma'am, magkano po ang nagastos for rental expenses?
For the first quarter, 16 million din po, Mr. Chair.
Pareho po?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sa ano pong duration naman siya ginamit?
It's February 6 to March 29 po ang nasa accomplishment report nila.
Suma total po, ilang araw po yun?
56 days po.
56? Or more or less? More or less, no? Nasa
More or
mga
less. 53.
50-something days. As to
53.
compared to 11 days back in the fourth quarter. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ayun kasi parang, actually ma'am, yun lang po yung na-notice ko, na parang with the same amount, but with a different number of days. So, I understand na parang, yun po ba hindi suspicious sa inyo or regular naman po kaya yun sa tingin nyo?
Well, personally, I find it medyo steep po siya. Considering nga na 11 days lang po. But,
Hindi, yes ma'am, pero nung sumunod na quarter, parang mas humaba na. Napagkasya naman yung same amount na sinasabi nyo po, di ba?
yes, Mr. Chair.
So do we both agree na parang mas mura yata yung pagkakagastos nung sumunod na quarter?
Yes, Mr. Chair, considering mas
Ma-
mahaba.
mathematics lang no? 11 days versus 53 days. Nung kayo po kayang second quarter naman nung 2023, ma'am, magkakano po ang nagamit?
16 million din po, Mr. Chair.
So it's the same amount every quarter. Tama po, ma'am? At least for the fourth quarter of 2022, for the first quarter of 2023, and for the quarter 2 of 2023, it's all the same amount po, ma'am?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And may you repeat again the amount po?
16 million po, Mr. Chair.
Dito naman po sa second quarter ng 2023, gaano po naman katagal ginamit?
66 days, Mr. Chair.
66, ma'am.
Yes, Mr.
So mas humaba.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ma'am, if you may repeat
67
nga,
days.
medyo nalilito ako, maraming numero. Yung first, yung quarter 4 ng 2022, for 16 million, ilang pong araw ginamit?
For 2022, 11 days po.
11 days. So, nung quarter 1 naman ng 2023, makikita dito, ilang araw po ulit, ma'am?
53 days. Mr.
53
Chair.
days.
Opo.
So, with the same amount, mas marami ng araw ang paggamit.
Yes, Mr.
Nung
Chair.
sa quarter 2 of 2023, with the same amount of 16 million, ilang araw naman po ginamit? 66 ang sabi niyo po?
67 po, based on computation ng...
67 days.
Opo, Mr.
So
Chair.
having said that, ma'am, sa personal po ninyong opinion, being an attorney and 2 years in the audit department of the Commission on Audit, hindi po, regular po ba yung ganon na same amount but different number of days?
Well, personally po, medyo steep nga po yung lalo na po yung sa 2022 since 11 days lang po siya.
Na 16 million for 11
Yes.
days.
Compared po dun sa 2023 na almost parang...
Ma'am, ano po bang basihan nyo dito sa lahat ito? Bukod po sa acknowledgement receipt, meron po ba kayong breakdown na itong mga paggamit ng pondo na to?
Yung nasa accomplishment report po, Mr. Chair. Yung accomplishment report, yung report nila. Kung
But did it say
magkano.
po, ma'am, kung saan ginamit? Anong klaseng facility ba ito?
No information,
Wala pong
Mr.
information.
Chair. Opo.
So, very bare po.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Based on the observation of this humble representation, Mr. Chair, parang I agree with you and Congressman Acop that there has to be a new law that we have to make, to be able to check so that we can protect better the funds of the people. Your Honor, ito po, if I may, meron pa po akong konting oras. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ang quarter 3 naman po, ma'am, ng 2023, magkakano po ang nagamit para sa rental?
Mr. Chair.
If I may repeat, Mr. Chair, it's quarter 3 of 2023.
It was 5 million po.
Ma'am, pakilakas po. Ano po yun?
5 million po, Mr. Chair.
5 million.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Parang malayo po doon sa mga nakaraang quarter.
Mr. Chair, yes.
So, correct me if I'm wrong, Mama, 16 million fourth quarter of 2022, 16 million quarter 1 of 2023, another 16 million of quarter 2 of 2023, tapos ng quarter 3 of the same year, biglang nag-drop po ng 5 million. Tama po?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Para sa ilang araw na yung durations po,
79
ma'am?
days po.
Sorry po?
79 days.
79?
Yes po.
So mahigit 2 buwan.
Yes po.
Hindi po ba na parang nakakapagtaka na 5 million na pagkasya sa 79 days, tapos medyo extreme kumpara sa quarter 4 ng 2022 na 16 million for 11 days?
Pwede pong ganun, sir, na extremely malaki yung gastos nung 2022.
Parang malaki yung discrepancy.
Yes,
So,
Mr. Chair.
I think any person could simply or easily deduce a question na kung napagkasya yung 5 million for 79 days ng quarter 3 in the year 2023, bakit kailangan gumastos ng 16 million for 11 days sa quarter 4 ng 2022? Yun yung tinatanong ko kanina, ma'am, na bilang parte ng Commission on Audit at isang attorney, abogado, na 8 years na rin po kayo sa commission, yung para bang hindi tayo dapat maging ministerial lang. I do understand that we base everything based on documents. Being a lawyer, I'm sure that that's how you process everything. Pero gaya ng sinabi ni Congressman Acop na bilang tagapagbantay ng pondo ng taong bayan, siyempre naroon din naman yung pagkakataon na may gut feel tayo. Na siguro apart from each document na nakikita natin, if we see something out of the ordinary, like what we are mentioning now, maybe we can, I don't know if you can do something about it. Or siguro it is imperative nga, that's the reason why importante itong committee ng Blue Ribbon is to, in aid of legislation, so we can craft laws, Your Honor, so that things like this that won't happen again, that at least COA will be able to dig deeper apart from just acknowledgement receipts. No, kasi medyo your hands are tied, just you're basing it on documents. Tama po, ma'am, no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero pasensya na po, if I may ask, on a personal level, medyo meron ba kayong nafe-feel na irregularity?
Siguro, sir, medyo steep, lalo na po yung 11
You do agree
days
na medyo
sa
meron
2022
parang ano?
po.
Oh, Your Honor, just if I may have one last minute, na nagtataka lang po kasi ako based on documents. Meron kasi ditong quarter 4, 2022, quarter 1 to quarter 3 ng 2023. Parang wala po ako nakikitang quarter 4, fourth quarter ng 2024. Ilan po ba ang nagamit naman dun sa period na yun, ma'am?
Mr. Chair, wala po silang liquidation for the fourth quarter ng 2023.
Fourth quarter ng 2023, wala na
Wala
po.
po, Mr. Chair.
Bakit po kaya?
Based sa sa ATL po, wala po yata silang cash advance nung fourth quarter.
So in short, ma'am, would it be accurate to say na wala pong ginamit na rental nung fourth quarter of the year 2023?
Yes, Mr. Chair. And lahat po nung remaining na confidential fund nila, hindi na nila nagamit.
Hindi na nagamit.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So another question can be raised na ano po kaya yung programa na pinaggamitan kung bakit bigla na lang nung fourth quarter hindi na kailangan ng funding doon. Yun yung parang pwedeng maisip ng simpleng tao na bakit biglang nawala na lang yung funding na hindi na lang biglang kinailangan. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Tama naman po, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. Again, Mr. Chair, thank you po, ma'am, for always being cordial and putting a smile in this committee. Mr. Chair, yun lamang po, if I may reiterate, pasensya na po that I took a little bit of time of this committee. Yun lang po talagang na-notice ko na medyo malaki yung discrepancy na nung fourth quarter of 2022, 16 million for 11 days. Tapos nung third quarter, naging 5 million for 79 days. You know, we cannot dig deeper. That's why in aid of legislation, we really have to craft laws for us to be able to dig deeper na hindi na po maulit. At least may kasagutan na po sa susunod ang COA sa atin. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair, and marami pong salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, Congressman Ernix Dionisio.